Hi everyone, I am going to discuss the solutions of right triangle. And our learning outcomes in this topic is first, find missing sides in right-angled triangles and apply the trigonometric functions in solving right triangle. First, let's define the right triangle. Right triangle is a triangle with a right angle equal to 90 degrees. And we use trigonometric functions and Pythagorean to solve the right triangle. On the other hand, the sum of three angles in triangle is 180, and if one of these angles is right angles, then it follows that the sum of the two angles A and B is equal to 90 degrees. These are the four steps in solving the missing sides and angles of the right triangle. Step 1. Level the triangle sides. And Step 2. Choose your ratio. Step 3. Applying the formula. And last step, calculate your answer. The following will be discussed further in the next slides. So Step 1. Label the triangle sides, which is identify the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle and find the missing angle and side. In the triangle sides, we have hypotenuse, which is the longest side, which we label the lowercase of c, and we have opposite side, the across from a given angle, and the adjacent side, which is next to the given angle, which we label lowercase of b. And our missing sides and angles is side C, which is the hypotenuse, and side B, the adjacent, also the angle B. Step 2. Choosing the trigonometric ratio. The ratio to use is either sine, cosine, or tangent. Depends on which side you know and which side you are finding. Use Sakatawa to help you decide. We are familiar the Sakatawa, which is so equals to sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, and ka refers to the cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tawa refers to tangent equals opposite over adjacent. We can use the SO formula in solving this side C. Since we know the value of opposite, which is 15. Step 3. Applying the formula. Substitute the side lengths into the correct formula triangle. So we have here sine 35 degree equals 15 over c. Step 4. Calculate your answer. Complete the calculation to find your answer. Round to the required accuracy. So we have here c equals 15 over sine 35. And if you're wondering where we get the 15 over sine 35, we get it here. We cross multiply this one. So c equals 15 over sine 35 is equal to 26 over 50. Now we have the value of c and a. We can use the Pythagorean theorem in solving the side b. So we're gonna plug in each values to the formula and calculate it. After calculating it, we have 21.42. Therefore, side B is equal to 21.42. Moving on the angles, we only need to find the value of angle B. Since A and B are complementary angles and A is equal to 35 degrees, therefore B is equal to 55. So we are done solving the missing sides and angles of the right triangle. We have here a practice questions.
My blood, sweat and tears for this.